Now let's get ready to export this thing to NavisWorks. I've modeled some piping. I chose a piping run to model. And I need to get the piping run itself into NavisWorks. So I need to export just that portion of it. So here's the way I'm going to suggest that you do that. We're going to duplicate our 3D view. And we're going to call that one, rename it 3D. And we need to give it some sort of a name. This is hydronic cold water supply 3D piping. Now we know what it is. It's the hydronic cold water supply. And we only want to see some stuff in here. I'm going to hide almost everything. I'm going to hide just about everything so that all I've got is my piping. And there we go. I got to hide those things too. And I'm going to put it in a type of view. I'm going to make sure that we're in fine. And we're in hidden line. Fine. No, I'm sorry. Fine and hidden line. And let's all make sure that we're at the same scale. 1/8 inch equals a foot. So now I'm going to save this file just so that I've got it. Okay, and I should save this properly. File, save as, project, because this is my wet piping, but it is in this case hydronic cold water supply. Now I need to essentially export this file so it's all by itself. All I want is the piping for NavisWorks. Let's see what the best way to do that. Export. And we can export it in any number of formats. Okay, but I think what for us, what will be best is if we all put ours into a DWFX. Where's my DWFX? There it is right there. That way our Revit file is clean and we're working with DWFX. Now when we go into VR, we're going to work with this view from Revit. But in NavisWorks, we're going to work with this DWFX. And that's just to get rid of all the other views. Just get you used to it. So we're going to do this current view, current sheet, 3D view, hydronic cold water supply, 3D piping. That's going to be perfect. And there we go. That's set. DWFX. And now that is ready for NavisWorks. Okay? There we go. That's what we're looking for.